Welcome everyone. Question on organic chemistry. The number of pi electrons in the cyclopentadienyl cation is. Choices are A 2, B 4, C 6, D 8. Answer is B 4. Explanation we will see in the next slide. This is the cyclopentadienyl cation. It has two double bonds. We know that each double bond contains 2 pi electrons. So, 2 double bonds have 2 into 2 is equal to 4 pi electrons. Therefore, the cyclopentadienyl cation has 4 pi electrons. Thank you for watching this video.